Just raining so hard outside. I like it and I don't at the same time. So you're probably wondering why I'm here at this time of hour, or this time of day, morning, whatever it is. 7:06 a.m. on Tuesday 7th. And if you watch my video that's about to go live in a few hours, well, this video is going to be out by the time yesterday's video is out. So, okay, whatever. It was the one that was called Used Car Managers, whatever. Basically, the idea now is that I have a ton of clients on the East Coast and they're 3 hours ahead, so I have to be here 3 hours before them, which is 7 a.m. here, 8, 9, 10. It works in my favor being here earlier. Gotta buy some cars today. Just a few hours ago, it was just downpour of rain, and now the sun's coming out a little bit. My car actually looks clean. Thank you to the rain. Stoked on that. Gas. So, as you know, if you watch my channel, I just had this brand new exhaust custom made at Bowden Auto House. It has QTP cutouts so I can open and close the valves to make it louder and quieter. The funniest thing happened. I was talking to a company just on and off the past few years about doing a collaboration, because when I was working for Lamborghini and Bentley and Lambo and all, I just said Lambo twice. I'm so out of it. When I was working for all those dealerships at O'Gara and Symbolic and all those, I've made so many phone calls today. My mind is so mushy right now. So I was talking to a company about doing a collaboration because I had made a ton of videos on like a 458. And a Porsche with their exhaust system on it. I have goosebumps all up and down my arms right now. And they shared the video, they gave me credit, blah, blah, blah. So sure enough, like that company reaches out to me and they were like, hey, we want to consider like a partnership since you have your M3. And this happened it was like 6 days after I had this exhaust installed. And literally I was like, I just spent all this money on my exhaust and you're telling me you want to work with me, a partnership, and you know, put an exhaust on my car. I'll put this system in like storage or something, and then I'll have a new exhaust on this car. As a lot of you guys saw on Instagram, I am now partnered with IPE North America. So what that means is this M3 is getting a pretty crazy exhaust system. This is the exhaust system that I'm gonna be getting. It is the F1 system with the Valvetronic remote. The quality is out of control. One of my neighbors just passed me as M6. You guys hear that in the background? So I'm excited, I'm stoked. IPE, thank you so much for this. I'm really excited to represent this brand and have one of the craziest exhaust systems on my car. It's going to Bowden Auto House again, the shop I always go to just because I work with them and they're a great company, and I went to one of their meets and they did some stuff on my M3. And another thing too is, if you can see here, the polarizer actually makes it darker, but this window strip is not limo tint. I wanted it to be pitch black so you can't see through it. That way you have like this DTM race car feel. So they hardwired my V1 right here, if you can see that. One more thing really quick too, I just wanted to say, I almost stalled. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who watches my videos, only because of the fact that recently I've only been showing videos like in the showroom and not a lot of variety. January was pretty slow for a majority of businesses as far as in the automotive industry, well, exotic automotive. So I just haven't had content to film. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to film like my daily life of what I do in wholesale, in my personal, blah, blah, blah. To you, like 10,000 people per video, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you watching my stuff. I mean that. I managed to get 183 miles on one tank. That's at, I think, roughly 13 miles per gallon. Let's see, 14.8 miles per gallon. Look at that. Oh, that's so clean. So I figured it'd probably be a little bit appropriate to announce that I just bought a Rolls Royce inside of a Rolls Royce. I just bought a 2012 Rolls Royce Ghost in white. All the paperwork is right here. I have to go to FedEx to overnight this to my client. The car is on the East Coast, so bought a Rolls Royce today, and also the Ferrari that I had purchased last week. We just dispatched the truck today. Should be picked up tomorrow, so I don't know if I count that as 2 cars bought today, but if I did count it, 1 Ferrari, 1 Rolls Royce in the same day. Not bad. Pretty stoked on it. I appreciate it. FedEx has been dropped off, bought a Rolls Royce. This is a sign that you know we drink a lot of Starbucks. That's one of those like coffee plug things. Another awesome day, buying a ton of cars, selling cars. Thanks for watching. Peace!